The Milwaukee M12 Fuel Stubby Impact Wrench offers up to 550 feet-pounds of breakaway torque in a tool that fits in the palm of your hand. Stick around to learn about an exclusive feature that could make it a game-changer for mechanics and contractors alike. With its sleek, durable materials and red and black design, this tool doesn't just look good, it feels solid in the hand without the weight that drags down larger wrenches. Its compact size allows it to reach tight areas where many impact wrenches can't. Perfect for anyone working on detailed auto repairs or smaller construction tasks. But does it feel as premium as it looks? The Milwaukee packs some impressive standout features, particularly its 4-mode drive control system. This feature allows for precise control over torque and speed, offering greater flexibility. There's also an auto shut-off mode that limits torque to 15 feet-pounds for delicate tasks, ensuring that no bolt is over-tightened. Its 3 LEDs around the anvil deliver well-lit, shadow-free visibility for low-light workspaces, something many mechanics appreciate when working under the hood. In comparing it to competitors like the DeWalt Atomic, which operates on a 20V platform, the Milwaukee holds up impressively well. Although it's a 12V tool, its performance in torque and versatility places it nearly on par with larger, high-voltage models. This tool is competitively priced at around $199 for the bare tool, with full kit options available that add extra value. To get the latest prices, be sure to check the Amazon link below for deals. So what are the pros and cons of the Milwaukee 2562? Cons: limited battery life for high-intensity jobs, not ideal for the largest bolts or high-torque tasks. Pros: high torque in a compact design, 4-mode control for precise torque and speed adjustments, lightweight and easy to handle, built-in LEDs for improved visibility in tight spaces. If you're looking for a compact, powerful tool for tough bolts in small spaces, the Milwaukee M12 Fuel Stubby Impact Wrench could be your go-to. Don't forget to subscribe for more reviews on the best power tools, and check out the Amazon link below for the latest prices and deals. Thanks for watching. Let us know in the comments if this might be your next tool in your kit.